Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, to make your password visible, tap on this eye icon next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!